Hey there, I've been working with EMA to bring you some really practical marketing workshops using Adobe software all the way through 2020. We've got a range of 2-day workshops covering how to create marketing videos, brochures, social media images, and various other business related material. These are hands-on courses and are going to give attendees the opportunity to actually create real projects over a 2-day period. The one I'd like to tell you about today is creating and editing marketing videos. Okay, if you head over to the EMA site, ema.co.nz, you'll find, probably easiest way to find it. It's pretty buried, I've got to be honest, but if you search in this little area up here, then you can find it. It's create and edit marketing videos. It's a cool little course. It's a 2-day workshop, and basically through that workshop we end up creating at least one video uh, for social media. I'll take you through the whole process, what you need to do to shoot, what you need to edit, and how to kind of format the video for different social media platforms. So if you take a look at this page, you'll see we've got the cost in here, a little bit of blurb here about who it's for and what you learn, all this kind of stuff. It's just very practical, and you'll be able to go away and having made one video, you'll be able to go on and make further videos for your business. You'll see here's a little schedule of when we're actually running the course. So the Auckland dates are April 7th and 8th, August 10th and 11th, and December 8th and 9th. And then we've got other dates in Hamilton and also Tauranga throughout the year. So, yep, definitely recommend this one if you're looking to add video to your marketing mix. Well, that's it. I hope you can come along to the Creating and Editing Marketing Videos workshop. It's going to be fantastic fun. Now, feel free to message me or comment with any questions, and I hope to see you there.